President, Mr. Ashok Ahuja, to escort Mr. Ram Javarani to the main dais and introduce him to the gathering.
Chief Guest, Mr. Vinay Lakshman, Chairman of the Awards Committee, Mr. J.C. Prakash, distinguished awardees, dignitaries on and off the dais, dear members, ladies and gentlemen. I consider it an honor and privilege to have been given the opportunity to introduce Dr. Ram Javarani, a multifaceted personality. After completing his Masters in Arts, he did PhD in Sindhi literature. Whether it is business, social work, philanthropy, journalism, or literature, Dr. Ram Javarani has carved out a niche for himself in every field. I hope I am able to do justice in presenting the greatness of this outstanding personality. A humble and pious person, Mr. Javarani is a strong chairman, Global Sindhi Council and Mother Teresa International Award Committee, President, Sindhu Ratna English School, Executive President, State Federation of UNESCO, Advisory Panel Member of Film Certification, Ministry of Information Broadcasting, Government of India, Trustee, Cancer Care Center and Seva Niketan Hospital, Ulhasnagar, Patron, Sindhi Shan, a family magazine, co-convener of Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. The list goes on. Dr. Ram Javarani has several awards to his credit, notably among them Hemu Kalyani Award of International Sindhi Panchayat Federation received from the hands of Reverend Dada J.P. Vaswani. Sindhu Ratna Award, Mother Teresa Award, Friend in Need Award of Rotary International, Jal Vayu Vihar Award from megastar Amitabh Bachchan, and Padma Shri Ram Panjwani Award by Goregaon Sindhi Panchayat. The whole world steps aside for the man who has a larger purpose in life and works tirelessly to achieve that goal. The following lines aptly describes the passion and the commitment of this great person. आप न रुकेंगे कभी, आप न थकेंगे कभी, आप न थमेंगे कभी, आप न मुड़ेंगे कभी. In other communities, a visionary, Dr. Ram Javarani has introduced innovative ideas in the cultural field. Through his contacts in the Bollywood industry, he has been motivating well-known playback singers such as Mahendra Kapoor, Anup Jalota, Kavita Krishnamurthy, Udit Narayan, and others to render songs in Sindhi with the purpose to save our language from extinction, which is truly commendable. And with the active support of late Sri Sunil Dutt, Dr. Javarani had launched the Hum Ek Hai movement to promote national integration. Yet another significant contribution of Dr. Ram is Sindhi culture. In his television interviews of 50 eminent Sindhi personalities, such as Sri L.K. Advani, Sri Ram Jethmalani, Dr. Indra Hinduja, former Admiral R.H. Tailrani, in 104 episodes, which have been preserved in the archives of Doordarshan. He has also written stories for message-oriented telefilms, among which Danveer has already been telecasted on Doordarshan. He has written and directed a documentary, Marriage, Ek Nai Shuruaat. He has also directed another documentary, Ulhasnagar, Success Stories of Sindhis, produced by Doordarshan. He is the author of many popular books, such as Global Sindhis, The Average Person Performs Actions for Himself. But Dr. Javarani thinks beyond himself. He is fired by this higher ideal to do for his community, for his country, for the entire humankind. His mission in life is to support the underprivileged section of the society. The upliftment of the community has always been uppermost in his mind. Initially, he started Hukmat Rai Mevaldas Charitable Trust in the memory of his grandfather to provide financial help and food to the poor. This is his way of expressing his gratitude to the Lord. he says, "The Lord has given me plenty, and this is but a small fraction." In 1987, he set up Sahyog Foundation, which has now become a prominent non-governmental organization.
सहयोग फाउंडेशन की शुरुआत हमने 1985 में की।
एक सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए मैं मानता हूं कि ये सफ़र एक अच्छा सफ़र है। उस सफ़र में हम लोगों ने 4-5 लोगों ने मिलके इस भावना से, इस उद्देश्य से इस फाउंडेशन की नींव रखी कि समाज ने जो कुछ हमें दिया है, हमारा फ़र्ज़ बनता है समाज की तरह हम कुछ लौटाए। और इसी भावनाओं को लेके, उस उद्देश्य को लेके हमने पहले शुरुआत बहुत ही छोटे पैमाने पे की। स्कूलों में, गरीब बस्तियों में हमने बुक्स बांटे, नोटबुक्स बांटे, बच्चों की यूनिफॉर्म्स दी, या गरीब ऐसी फैमिलीज़ को हमने सिलाई की मशीनें दी।
अलग अलग शहरों के एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस में अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर लैब और लाइब्रेरीज खोली गईं। सहयोग फाउंडेशन ने समाज सेवा को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए अलग अलग मैदानों में भारतीय स्तर पर विभिन्न शहरों में एजुकेशन, मेडिकल, ग्रामीण विकास, संगीत, रंगमंच, अपाहिजों को आगे बढ़ाना और फिल्म तथा टीवी अवार्ड्स दिए।
सहयोग फाउंडेशन बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रही है, बहुत सराहनीय काम कर रही है, ब्रिंगिंग इनटू फोकस एंड इनटू पब्लिक आई achievements and achievers in society from different fields that deserve to be highlighted. And this is the greatest achievement of Mr. Ram Jawarani, and God bless him, and I wish him all the best.
सहयोग फाउंडेशन अपाहिज बच्चों के लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहा है, एंड आई बिलीव इन दिस प्रिंसिपल बिकॉज मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि अपाहिज या द वर्ड हैंडीकैप डिक्शनरी से हमेशा हमेशा के लिए मिट जाए।
एंटी ड्रग्स कार्यक्रम सवेरा 90, राष्ट्रीय एकता प्रोग्राम हम एक हैं, कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स और कई नेशनल सेमिनार्स आयोजित करके समाज को एक नई दिशा दी। और समाज ने भी मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के सहयोग फाउंडेशन कॉर्नर के साथ साथ कई जगहों पर सहयोग फाउंडेशन चौक देते हुए सहयोग फाउंडेशन और डॉक्टर राम जवरानी को बहुत बहुत प्यार और इज्जत बख्शी। डॉक्टर राम जवरानी की लिखी पुस्तकें सिंधी सर्वेज और ग्लोबल सिंधीज देश और विदेश में पसंद की गई। डॉक्टर राम जवरानी को कई नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया।
ये सहयोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है, दिस इज ए ट्रिब्यूट टू द कलेक्टिव एफर्ट ऑफ आवर सिंधी ब्रदर्स इन दिस सिटी to assert and establish their presence here in the population of this great metropolis, that they exist, and not only they exist, they participate, they contribute, and they can appreciate quality wherever it lies.
मां तव्हां सभिनी नाज़रीन खे सहयोग फाउंडेशन परिवार में शामिल थियण जी दिली नींड थो ॾियां पियो। अचो त सहयोग फाउंडेशन यूट्यूब चैनल खे लाइक कयूं, सब्सक्राइब कयूं ऐं शेयर कयूं। नमस्ते।